Yo, hello YouTube fellow electric riders. Lex Summer here, back again. Today, no motor vlog, no ride, because outside it's very cold and it's freezing temperature outside. So, my plan for today, for this weekend, is how to install a proper AC charging station at home. So, finally I got permission to do this because of the landlord. It was a lot arguing and it was a lot pain in the ass, but now finally discussion is over. I can do this. First thing we need is cable, connectors, and then we install some discounts the kilowatt hour charging. We need some tools, more tools, even more tools. And finally, boom, the Type 2 charging adapter for the motorcycle. So let's get started with this. First one's finished, now the second one, the second end. Yep, so what I want to tell you about my channel and when 2020 is coming. So now I'm planning this until end of this month, December. The next 1 or 2 weeks I'm not able to upload every week a new video, because I will do this new intro video, which this will be getting really awesome. But it pays out in January, February next year, 2020. I have a lot good ideas I want to share with you, show you the real world experience of this motorcycle. So second one almost done. Da-dam-dam. Yeah. This charging here is I'm doing this because when I come back late at night, imagine some and it's very cold or it's raining outside, I don't like to go with this motorcycle in the public charger and put it down there in the rain. So it makes no sense. And if I come back late and need to go on early in the morning, it's easy. Coming back home, plug it in, next morning you're fully charged. This is very convenient, and this is the way it should be for electric vehicles in general. Yep, so second one done. Let's do a short circuit. Yeah, it works. I bought this one, digital energy measurement, blah blah blah. So I can count the energy consumption and telling my landlord how much energy I took from him. So nobody can complain here, nobody get butt hurt. Yeah, because think about all these internal combustion vehicles here. They have to pay gasoline. It's pain in the ass. With this motorcycle you go cheap like hell. Only paying electricity. This is so cheap. So I guess some of them will hate me. Yeah. So you see here, it can do maximum 2.3 kilowatt. We have here 230, 240 volt on 10 amps. So this is the max capacity he can deliver or put through. And with this amount, from 0 to 100, you need around, I guess, 4 to 5 hours, I guess. And yeah, think about, you came home, go out in the morning, you sleep for 6, 7, 8 hours. So this is fast enough. Now I'm curious if I blow the fuse. However, oh no, it works. So display plus minus. So let's set it on. I must settle down the energy consumption because this one takes a lot of energy. It can blow the fuse immediately. Zack. Now you got it. Starts to charge, and I go down. Yeah, I go on 9 amps, so this is no issue. So we have a safe margin. And yeah, it works great. Whoopsie. Changing 10 amp. So yeah, we're about 2 kilowatts charging. So we have a safe margin, not overheating these connectors and stuff. This is yeah, just a precaution, no big deal so far. Oh yeah, so I want to show you some different functions. You can go into the menu, do settings, preferences and stuff. I guess it's here. Yes, here you can go on charge, for example. For a low period resting mode, you can switch it on and off, and also state of charge limit. You can go into here and settle down the state of charge, so it will only charge, for example, to 70% and then stop. If you go on 100%, it's charge full and stop, or you can shut it off, so it goes up to 100 and then balancing the battery. So you have the max capacity you can use out of it. And also you can adjust the fan limit. Maybe on the older models the fan is started getting really loud, because when they charge on high rates it has a lot of energy output yeah, whatever, and here the van starts to spin very fast and make a lot of noise. So they added this feature. You can settle down the maximum fan limit so it doesn't get that high. Vehicle status, everything is okay. Yeah. And yeah. So yeah, so far for this. So hey, I hope you liked this video about how to install home charging. So leave a comment if you like it or not, or what you're missing, which content you want to see in 2020. This is really important. Hey, let me know what you want to expect, what you want to see in 2020. I have a lot of good ideas, trips, test rides, fun stuff, fun sports. I have a lot of ideas what you want to do. But hey, leave me a comment what you would like to see. Maybe more racetrack, maybe more commuting, maybe more Swiss Alps trips, or badass hooligan action, or maybe more pranks. I have good ideas for doing more pranks about with this motorcycle. And yeah, pranks always big fun. So yeah, leave me a comment. I hope you like this video. Po. I'm out of here. See you next time.